Morning. It's I don't know, a few minutes past 9 or something. I'm going on the last bike ride before Ramadan. Definitely going to start tomorrow. Me and my boy Shamil got our bikes, tyres pumped up, and we're ready to go. Here comes my man now. See, I'm getting good with the camera, aren't I, Sham?
Yeah,
cool. Right. There's my man Sham. We're about to upgrade him to a helmet in a minute. Okay. I can see our guys in front of us. Not this guy. These guys here. Good morning. Check these professionals out, looking sexy. Yeah, man.
Man, what's that?
Bikes
You're not
here.
going to snowboarding, right?
Yeah, he's going snowboarding after.
Session has been paused automatically.
Right, ready guys?
We got the tools.
Yeah, man. I'm packing. So peaceful down here in the morning. It's just really nice. Tide's not in yet. Got the odd few people going for a run in the morning. Some people on bikes, walking the dogs. Just so nice, peaceful. Right. Gavin's behind us somewhere. I still have to chat to somebody. So I've got to catch up. Yilmaz and Shamil. Just going past Dundee golf course is here. Near the golf hotel. A wee bit of rain. Some nice property for sale if anybody's interested. Here, let me show you. It's nice. Morning. Quite strong wind this morning, but in a good way. It's in my face now, so on the way back he'll be helping me from behind, pushing us. He'll playing golf in the morning. There's the Dundee Golf Hotel. These guys are. They've been inside the hotel. They've had tea and scones with jam and butter. Cool, how you doing?
Good, nice.
Feeling good? How come you got suntan? It's cloudy this morning. What's going on? See, you've been in the sunbeds, haven't you? Yeah, I knew you've been for a full spa in the hotel.
I think it was the governor.
Okay, Yilmaz is going back now because we're running out of time and he's got work to do. So he's got his rain jacket on because the rain's coming down a bit now. Me and Shamil are going to crack on.
Salam alaikum, Mahmoud.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, dokie. It's getting quite windy now. We've had a fair bit of rain, haven't we, Sham?
Yeah.
But we're going strong. Because we are strong, aren't we, Sham?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what did you talk about when you got nothing to talk about? Talk about the weather? Yeah, always. I just done that already, haven't I? Yeah, we just gone through Dundee. It's proper nice. Nice and peaceful. Cute little houses. It's nice. Go to the left. Hey, enjoying ourselves still. We're heading off to the Bell Rock Fish and Chips restaurant, aren't we, Sham?
Yeah.
What are you going to have when you get there?
Go sleep.
You're going to go sleep?
Yeah.
I don't know if that's on the menu. Why are you hiding behind my helmet?
I'll have a cup of coffee.
You want a cup of coffee?
Yeah.
You want coffee?
Coffee.
And a biscuit? Yeah, I think that might be a nice idea actually, a cup of coffee. Warm us up.
Yeah.
Yeah? Cool. Okay. I don't know, something going on here. Bit of drama, bit of highway maintenance. Right, shouting. Whoa, there's a police coach there.
Oh, for illegals or something on that one.
Yeah, they're looking for illegals like you on a bike trying to cross the border. That's you, Hannah?
Yeah.
Don't know what's going on here. No, will you do your bell, please? Do your bell. Bell, Samuel, will you do your bell?
Yeah.
Thanks. Looks like there's something going on. Oh, it's the Queen's Barn. What's going on here is my camera's out of focus. That's what's going on. There we go. Yeah, Commonwealth Games, and it's a Queen's Barn thing coming here, I think. Something like that.
Yeah, it's with the poster that says Baton with hashtag Baton.
Ah, right. Let's zoom in.
And it says the Commonwealth Games on it.
Yeah. Yeah. It's not for us. We're not commoners. Right, let's go, Sham. Yeah.
Session resumed.
So we got some people selling strawberries here. It's pretty cool. It's nice. Oh, plenty of snacks here on the way back. Nice. Yeah. How's it going, Sham? How's it going, Sham?
Good. Tired.
Tired?
Wet. Sweaty.
Cool.
Hot.
Nice.
Sore.
You're hiding behind my helmet again, can't see you.
Sore.
Yeah.
Everything.
Everything that you should be doing
Yeah.
on a good bike ride. Cool. Good. There was one we went past today. That last one. That's huge. Pig farm here, see the pigs there? That's a big hairy pig. Need to shave that one. I don't know, pigs sleep in airplane hangars. But they are pretty big though. Lots of people playing golf here. Just like us, they got caught in a bit of a rain shower. It's not that bad though, it's not like torrential or nothing. It's all good. Okay, we got to Arbroath now. That's the main road just coming in into Arbroath, and the rain's calmed down actually. Yeah, it's more than stopped. It's nice. Here comes the train. And there goes the train. Here come the man Sham. Well, you're here now, Sham. Feel sense of achievement? Yeah. Good. Nice.
But it's just the thought of going back that pains.
Yeah, I know. That's always a pain in the... Hey, we got sunshine coming into Arbroath.
Fucking
Here we are. You can see the Bell Rock. Don't worry.
It's like the same team of road.
Yeah. How long did it take you, Sham?
1 hour and 58 minutes.
58, that's not bad because it was going pretty slow and you had loads of breaks. Yeah. So, lots of activity going on outside. I'm working hard.
Session resumed.
We're on our way back now. How's it going, Cam? Alright. Feeling full? Check this guy out. We'll be like him soon. So we're in. Enjoying the tour? Well, he says he's enjoying it, so take his word for it.
Yeah.
That'll be us soon, eh, Sham?
Yeah.
Going cross country. I can hear a train coming. Yep. Cool. Had a nice meal, didn't we, Sham?
Yeah.
Had a deluxe fillet of fish.
Yeah. Coffee.
Coffee.
Orange juice.
Orange juice. Thank you. Feeling quite cold when we came out of the restaurant there, but just been picking up the pace a little bit. Nice and warm now, which is good. Whoop, Sham was coming up fast.
35.5
Should be used to that.
kilometers.
Last 2 years he's been growing up fast.
5 minutes.
He's doing everything fast these days.
679
You okay, Sham?
Yeah.
Cool. Lovely house is here. A nice balcony. Looking out over that. I don't know if there's any children that live here, but they've got their own little park, look. That's like,
Session resumed.
what do you call it? One of those monster truck, like a mini one. These nice houses here got nice little balconies and stuff. That's the golf shop, you know. Golf course, army base. Yeah, they're nice. Nice balconies. So quiet around here, isn't it? Apart from me talking. And that seagull. Yeah. Can you ring your bell, Sham? Cool.
113
Yeah.
calories.
Nice, yeah, it's a good start, that, Sham. It's a good boy. Open the gate for Daddy. Yeah.
Shit to me.
Okay, go on.
Okay,
On you go, I've got the gate. Okay, what are you doing? No need for that.
Session has been paused automatically.
Because your son has stopped riding. No, the gate would have just closed behind us.
No,
It's
but
break.
then. Oh,
Yeah,
so.
it's cool. Sure wasn't an excuse just to get off the bike. Ministry of Defence shooting range. And the red flags up, we're going to stay away from here. Because some of them are not very good shot. They're flying a little remote control drone thing. There it is, above the trees. You see above the trees, Shamil? No, it's not UFO. Well, it is to us because we don't know exactly what it is. So it is unidentified and flying an object. But it's a little drone thing. Yeah. Might be the latest technology. If it is, it's crap. Look at it, look at it. Look at how fast it dives. Yeah. See, what we're going past here is like a little fitness course for the army. See the climbing frames and stuff like that, and nets down there and stuff. Woohoo! Downhill it is then. Let's go. Yeah, man. It's caravan heaven.
Well, in this case, blue necks.
Having a Barbie. No, actually it's just a baby. There's a hardcore campers. Nice little apartment, beautiful, nice balcony. Shame about the train track, like, but look at the view with free swans and everything. Started raining again. There's a fair few boats out. As I said, it is a bit windy. Okay, we're on Dalkeith Road. Made it the first bit. Don't know if we've got any energy left to go up the second bit. Oh, obviously Shamil has. Shamil, can you bum do maths?
Sorry?
Can you bum do maths?
Can I do math?
Smart ass. That's it, we're home now. Shamil's behind me somewhere. There he is. I think he's having a race home. We did it.